Welcome to Learning Square. Today we will discuss lesson 5 operators in C Sharp. In this session, we will see various type of operators in C Sharp. So let us start. What is operators? C Sharp provides a large set of operators which are symbols that specify which operation to perform in an expression. It is a symbol that tells the compiler to perform specific mathematical or logical manipulations. We In C Sharp we have various type of operators. Means for assignment operator, we have to use one single equal. For additive operators, means if we want to add two number, or if we want to subtract one number from second number, for this we have additive operator. And for if we want to multiply two numbers or divide two numbers, for this we have a multiplicative operators. And if we want to check two numbers, if we want to compare two numbers, that which number is bigger, which number is greater, for this we have relational operators. And if we want to compare two number, for this we have equality operators. And if we want to check two conditions, for this we have conditional and or. And we have one more operator, conditional and null collision. So friends, let us start with demo, and I will explain one by one. So friend, first I will explain what is assignment operator. If we have a variable and I and if we want to assign value 10 to this variable, for this we have to use assignment operator, and for this we have to use single equal 10. Okay friends. So if we have a variable check which is a boolean type, and if we want to assign value true, for this we have to use assignment operator. Means we have a one variable check of type bool, and we want to assign value true. For this we have to use assignment operator. Means we have to use one single equal. Let us go for second type of operator, additive operator. If we want to add two numbers, for this we have to use additive operators. Means we have one variable enter equal to 10, and second variable integer j equal to 20. And if we want to add two numbers I and j, suppose we have one more variable, it is a result. And if we want to add these two numbers, for this we have to use plus for additive operator. And if you want to print the output, for this we have to use cw tap for console.writeLine, and result is for printing the result I am using placeholder. In last tutorial I have explained about placeholder. Please watch that video to learn about placeholder. Okay friends, and let us console dot read line. Let us build the program and see what is the output. Result is 30. Means if we want to add two number I and j, for this we have to use plus operator. And if we want to subtract I minus j, and suppose I is 30, for this we have to use minus subtract symbol. For this let us see the output. It is 10. You can see that result is 10. Let us move ahead. We have third type is multiplicative operators, and in this we have, if we want to multiply two numbers, for this we have to use star symbol. And if we want to divide two number, means if we have one variable I and second variable is j, and if we want to divide I divided by j, for this we have to use forward slash. Let us, I am explaining with the example. Suppose I equal to 20 and j equal to 5, and if we want to divide I divided by j, for this we have to use forward slash. And you can see the result is 4. Okay friends, means here I is numerator and j is denominator, and we have if we divide any number, we get two things. So first is quotient and second is remainder. Means if I am using forward slash, we are getting the quotient 4. If we want to remainder, what the remainder, suppose if I equal to 21, and if we want what is the remainder, and you can see that remainder is 1. For this we have to use a percentage symbol, and you can see the result is 1, obviously 1. Means if we want quotient, for this we have to use forward slash, and if we want the remainder, then we have to use percentage symbol. Okay friends, let us move ahead. Next is relational. For this we have to use less than symbol, greater than symbol. Means if we want to compare two numbers, then we will use relational operator. Suppose if we have an integer I equal to 50 and integer j equal to 20. Okay friends, and if we want to compare that which number is greater, for this we have to use relational operator. Means if I greater than j, means we are comparing the two number, that which number is greater, then I is greater than j. If this condition is satisfied, then we will get the output I is greater than j, and obviously you can see that condition is satisfied, and we are getting the output I is greater than j. If I am putting I equal to 10, means this condition will not satisfy, so we will not get any output. You can see that we are getting a blank output. So friends, so if we want to compare two number, for this we can use relational operators, less than, greater than, equal. Okay friend, let us move ahead. And we have next equality operator. Means if we want to compare two number, that number 1 is equal to number 2, then we can use two equal signs. And if we want to check that number 1 is not equal to number 2, then we can use negation equal sign. Let us I am explaining with example that if integer I equal to 10 and integer j equal to 10, and if we want to check that I equal to j, then we can use 2 times equal sign. If I am using one time equal sign, you can see that we are getting the red symbol. Means it is they cannot implicitly convert type into bool. Means as you can see that one equally used for assignment operator, if we want to check that number 1 is equal to number 2, then for we have to use 2 times of equal symbol, and you can see that I equal to j, then we will get the output is equal to j. I equal to j. Okay friend, and if we want that I is not equal to j, for this we have to use negation symbol. As you can see that I is not equal to j means condition will satisfy and we will get the output I is not equal to j. And if I will put equal symbols means I equal to j, then and you can see the identical, we will not get any output. So see the output, we will collect a blank output. As you see that we will get blank output. Let us move ahead, and next we have a conditional and conditional or. For conditional and we have to use 2 times and symbol, and for conditional or we have to use 2 pipe symbol. Let us I am explaining that if we have to check 2 conditions simultaneously, then we will use conditional and means if you can see that I is equal to 20. Yes, if we have one condition that I equal to j, and if you want to check one more condition j equal to 20, you can see that we have 2 conditions I equal to 10 and j equal to 20, and if both conditions satisfy, then we will get the output both. If we want that we will get the output if both conditions are true, sorry, both conditions are true. Okay, and you can see that both conditions are true, then we will get the output. And let us see what is the output. At both conditions are true, then we are getting that. If is equal to 21 means one condition is true I equal to 10, but second condition j equal to 20 is not true, as I have assigned j equal to 21, so we will not get any output. Okay, we are not getting any output. If we want that from 2 conditions one condition is satisfied, then we will use conditional or. For this we have to use 2 pipelines. You can see that only one condition I equal to 10 is satisfied, but j equal to 20 is not satisfied. But we are using conditional or means if one condition is satisfied, we want output. For this we have to use conditional or. And you can see that one condition is true, we are getting the output. Okay friends, this is all about operators. In next session I will explain conditional and null coalescing operators. Okay friends, if you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel Learning Square, and if you want to ask my question, you can email me at learningsquareblog@gmail.com. And if you want to see all my articles, I have my website. You can see learningsquareblog.blogspot.in. Thanks friend.